Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Sign in to your Rockstar Social Club account on a web browser before starting. Prepare both consoles and confirm GTA Online is installed on each platform. Verify you can access the email addresses linked to your Xbox and PS4 accounts. Check that your Xbox GTA Online progress is saved to the Rockstar Social Club profile. Have your PSN and Xbox Live account names available for quick reference during the linking process. Close other game sessions to prevent sync conflicts while you perform the transfer. Open the Rockstar Social Club linking page and sign into your social club account. Choose Link Account and select Xbox Live as the source platform to connect. Follow prompts to authorize the Xbox connection using your Xbox Live credentials and two-step verification if enabled. Next, choose PlayStation Network as the destination platform and sign in with your PSN credentials to authorize linking. Confirm when prompted to transfer your GTA Online character and progress to Ps4 before finalizing the operation. Sign in to GTA Online on your Ps4 and verify that your transferred character and funds appear. Check inventory, rank, and wallet balance to confirm full progress transfer immediately after signing in. If the transfer fails, clear the Ps4 cache, sign out of Social Club, and repeat the linking process from a web browser. If problems persist, prepare your Rockstar Social Club ID and both console account names and contact Rockstar support to request manual assistance resolving the account link.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.